So, hello friends, this is Aditya and today I am telling about how to create KPI card in Power BI. So, let's start the video. Firstly, I open the Power BI desktop. Here my Power BI desktop offline Microsoft app opened. So, I am selected the blank report. So, you can our data import from various sources, import from Excel, import from SQL, import from simple data or create data in Power BI. So my data in the Excel, so I click on Excel data import from Excel. So I click on this. So here my Excel sheet opened. So here is my sales data. I selected the sales data. So Power BI connecting the my Excel data in Power BI. So here is a many more data, so I just selected the sales data and import. Here is some sales data. I transform the data. I adding some nulls column. So here Power Query editor open. Power Query is a kitchen of Power BI. So here is my sales data. Here some null column I remove. Right click on a mouse and say remove. Right click on a mouse and say remove. Right click on a mouse and say remove. Here some question about this data, so I remove it. No need of this question right now. Here is Excel data, so Excel question, right? Create pivot or other questions. Click on a close and apply. So here Power BI loading and few seconds you close and apply. So we can see our Power BI will close and apply my changes, remove row columns and remove unmeaningful data in the data set of cells. Here my data in the data column. So I selected the KPI column for my this topic. So I dark in center. So I create a KPI card for sales data. So here is my data. So I selected the revenue, total sales. So I selected the KPI card in the visualization and select my total revenue and selected date wise monthly revenue by this here is a sum of revenue and first month of sale. This is a monthly sale of my database, so I selected it. So I click on a sales and set target, new measure. So here is a DAX opened. So I created this formula for target. Here is my total sale 23,300. This is my total sale. I calculate target. I set the target for my business. So I selected 30,000, for example 30, and enter. So target and on a target. So here is the data. See the red color. You can see it. I'm change my value. So I selected 20,000. Say enter. So my data show green color. This is a main feature of KPI. Our target can achieve so our card show the green color and our target not achieved, our card say red color. So this is for the day. So thanks for watching. Every Sunday I am giving the practical of my Power BI. So thank you for watching. Thank you.